In this video, I'll show you how to add a sky background in Blender fast, whether you want a realistic procedural sky or a photo-based HDRI environment. This is a super useful trick if you want your scene to look more natural, improve your lighting, or quickly create a better backdrop without building anything from scratch. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and easy tutorials. Let's start in Blender. First, go to the World Properties tab in the Properties panel. You'll recognize it by the red globe icon. This is where Blender controls the overall environment for your scene, including the background color and lighting. Now click the yellow dot next to color. This opens the menu where you can choose different background types. From the list, select Sky Texture. As soon as you do that, Blender generates a procedural sky background for your scene. This is a really fast way to get a realistic looking sky with atmospheric lighting and a sun. Once the sky texture is active, you can adjust the sun rotation and elevation. These settings control the position of the sun in the sky. If you rotate it, you change the direction of the light. If you change the elevation, you can simulate different times of day, like early morning, midday, or sunset. Small adjustments here can make a huge difference in how your entire scene looks. If you want a more realistic environment with actual photo-based lighting, switch from sky texture to environment texture instead. This is the option you want when using a 360-degree HDRI image. HDRIs are great because they add real-world reflections and natural lighting to your objects. After selecting environment texture, click open and choose an .exr or .hdr file from your computer. Once loaded, Blender will use that image to light your scene. This is especially helpful for product renders, character scenes, and anything that needs a polished, realistic look. If you want more control, open the shader editor and switch the header from object to world. This lets you edit the world background nodes directly. Here you can manually connect and tweak the nodes to fine-tune how your sky or HDRI works in the scene. To rotate your HDRI or sky image, add a mapping node and a texture coordinate node. A quick way to do this is with Ctrl+T if you have the right add-on enabled. This gives you much more control over the direction of the background and lets you line up the lighting with your camera angle. If you only want the sky visible in the render but want the background itself to stay transparent for compositing, go to Render Properties, open the Film section, and check Transparent. This is very useful if you plan to add your own background later in editing. Finally, make sure your viewport shading is set to rendered. Sky textures and environment textures are usually only visible in rendered mode or material preview mode, so if you don't see the sky right away, this is the first thing to check. And that's it. You now know how to add a sky background in Blender quickly using either a sky texture or an HDRI environment texture. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Blender tutorials just like this one.